Hey guys, just sitting out in the 65, kind of going through some of the paperwork in the glove box, and I am kind of blown away at what I found in the glove box. Shows a new 289 was installed of 8/16/99 with 17,930 miles. Obviously got an oil change 6 miles later. Okay. And then brakes. Anyway. The super crazy odd thing is the family member we got this from got this in early 2000 and they didn't drive it much. 17,930 new engine. It currently has 18,024. So less than 100 miles on a new engine. So that would explain why the oil looks brand new and it runs like a top. Well, okay. Well, considering the carburetor issue, runs really well. So far, the only thing I've noticed that isn't working is it's not charging the battery. But I did notice a wire that looked kind of fried down by the alternator, so I will probably just check those wires out, repair any that are bad. If that doesn't fix it, then I will probably get a new alternator. It's kind of a rainy, cruddy day out, but what? How cool is that? So yeah, so far pretty happy with it. Waiting on I just ordered a new Holley 600 CFM carb, waiting on that, and then hopefully I can start driving this thing around a little bit. I will check you guys on the next one.